In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a formula on monday.com. First things first, let's navigate to monday.com in your web browser. Monday.com is an incredibly versatile work operating system, and adding formulas can make it even more powerful for managing your projects and teams. Once you've landed on the home page, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here you will find the login button. Give it a click to start the process. You'll have a couple of options. You can either sign in using your Google account or manually type in the email address you'll be working with on monday.com. If you're choosing the Google sign in option, just select the email address you need from the list displayed. If you've signed in successfully, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now you want to go directly to the board where you will be working. Boards are where all the action happens on monday.com, and they let you organize tasks and projects in a flexible way. Make sure you select the board where you want to add your formula. Once you're on your chosen board, head over to the last column. You'll notice a small plus sign button there. Click on this plus sign and a pop-up menu will appear. From this menu, choose Formula. This is where you'll be able to create calculations that can, for instance, total up numbers, calculate timeframes, or generate percentages. Now, to input a formula, you've got to click on the cell within the formula column that you just added. Doing so will trigger another pop-up window, giving you the space to start inputting your formula. Take a look at the options within the pop-up window. You'll see a section labeled Functions and Constants. Clicking on this will reveal a list of various functions you can use, like sum, average, and more. If you already have a particular formula in mind, you can use the search box to type it in directly. This can save you some time if you're looking for something specific. Next, there's the Columns and Labels section, which allows you to select the columns that you want to include in your formula. Consider what data you'll need to draw from to create an accurate formula and adjust accordingly. If you're struggling to find the formula you need, monday.com provides an AI assistant option. By clicking on AI Assistant, you can simply type what you need to be computed and the AI will help craft the necessary formula for you. Once you're satisfied with your formula, double check your setup to prevent any errors. Finally, click on Set Formula to confirm everything. There you have it, your new formula is now ready and active on your board, assisting you in capturing in-depth insights from your work data. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in enhancing your monday.com experience.